So, a very good evening, I bid to all of you. So, today we are talking about the bad effect of e-cigarette. As we know that based on the statistic in 2016, the use of e-cigarette is increasing rapidly in Malaysia. But before we start, I would like to introduce my name. My name is Muhammad Iqbal Faris bin Ruslan, and this is Muhammad Fakrullah bin Ismail. So in this topic, we are dividing into three parts of the bad effect of the e-cigarette, which are the first one is can harmful the lung, the second one is the throat irritation, and the third one is the cardiovascular effect. So firstly, e-cigarette can harmful the lung, which is one of the example is the lung cancer. This is due to the content of the nicotine, which can cause inflammation, and this disease, in the end, this disease called as pneumonia. So, in occasionally, the absorption of the oxygen gas in the lung will be lower than the usual. So, other than that, throat irritation is the one of the bad effect of the e-cigarette. So, based on the scientists' research, e-liquid contain nitric oxide, which can cause our mouth and throat will dry and feel irritated. Another evidence shows that the person will feel difficult in breathing, and this disease called insomnia.
So we proceed to the third key ideas, which is the impact of e-cigarette on the cardiovascular system. So based on the observation from the doctor and scientists, they say that using e-cigarette will give a bad effect on the cardiovascular system. This is because e-cigarette contain nicotine. So the nicotine in the e-liquid will contribute to acute the cardiovascular event and accelerate atherogenesis in our heart. So firstly, this is because nicotine. So I will tell you about the nicotine. As we know that nicotine is the major constituent in the most smoking product. It is also considered a strong alkaloid that can be absorbed by lung, skin, and others in our part of our body. So after the absorption of nicotine, the nicotine will metabolize by liver, and then the liver will convert it into cotinine as one of the metabolites. The e-liquid with higher concentration deliver more nicotine than those with lower concentration. So the higher concentration, this is very dangerous to our lung, because our lung will absorb the more nicotine. So other than that, e-cigarette also use tobacco. As we know that in tobacco, it contains high concentration of carbon monoxide. As a result, the smoker or user of e-cigarette will have a problem with their heart rate and blood pressure. This is due to the nicotine and also carbon monoxide in tobacco that will change the hemodynamic. So the users will have a problem such as increase in blood pressure and also heart rate. So as a conclusion, there are three bad effects of e-cigarette. So firstly, as Iqbal Faris said just now, e-cigarette can harm the lungs because it contains nicotine, which can cause the lung cancer. The secondly is throat irritation is also one of the bad effects of e-cigarette. This can cause the person feels difficulty on breathing. Lastly, as I said just now, e-cigarette can give bad effect to the cardiovascular system. So it will change the hemodynamic. This is because the nicotine and carbon monoxide that in the tobacco, that it will contribute the heart rate and blood pressure that increase rapidly. So I think that's all from us. Thank you.